Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video for December on Aptos cryptocurrency, the APT right here, which is aiming to get back to its all-time high that has been portrayed around early 2023 with that little bullish rally we had out there pointing towards, what was that? That was around $18.3. We're pretty much more than 50% away from that point at this time, but there's some great signs out there. Aptos is actually breaking out. It's getting into the biggest gainers out there, and the attention is gaining around the topic. So I thought I'm gonna make the technicals right here for you. Not before, make sure to like the video if you enjoy this, or subscribe to the YouTube channel as well if you think such videos are helpful for you. As well, we have our trading going on, $39,000 profit on the BTC long right here. For those of you that would like to join my trades, you will be able to see much more on my channel as well on our trading dashboard right here. Option number 1 is no prior fee. Only commission from the profits we achieved. And we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. We have our ChatGPT that helps us and does the performance. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. Meanwhile, on the other side, we have the one-on-one coaching program directly with me, where you can join and become my student in an intensive coaching that I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video, guys. So let's see what's happening with Aptos. Simply said, on the daily candlesticks, the situation looks a lot better than what was happening in the past couple of days. Why is it so? Because we have been confirming around levels that are extremely important to sit above, which means that there's been some selling pressure around the altcoins. And I was actually questioning at those times if, for example, after we have touched the supply area located on $8, this supply area started to press us. And this power generated a selling pressure, which fortunately ended on 200 days moving average, about 50 days above 100 days. So we're actually above the 3 moving averages that are essential when does the market retraces from a supply level to be finding support and a reaction. So we have been founding that one and we reacted, which was a great sign of possibility for market continuation. The next situation out there is we've pumped a little bit, came down, and again we have bouncing from the line. We did the same thing right there. Again, we have been bouncing from the line. So we actually did 4 or 5 times tried to break below the 200 days, which failed by the shorters and successfully reacted by the ones that are longing the market. You definitely must know the differences between longing and shorting. Shorting is when you aim that the market price will decrease and you will make money when the cryptocurrency price will decrease. When you're longing, it's exactly the opposite. You're actually making money when the price is increasing and losing money when the price is decreasing. So we have reacted on everything. Pretty much at the end of the day, the moving averages are pointing a very, very strong movement, which is actually something that has started yesterday on finding support on 20 days moving average, the red line. After BTC moved up to $44,000 and in the way it has reacted next to that, which means it has been ranging and having a slow and minor downtrending channel, which is healthy, guys. I mean, that little sell-off is so healthy on BTC for the altcoins that you cannot even imagine. It's basically the source and the cause that allows us in this situation to continuously move for one of the alts that we're actually dealing with. So this is a great sign at the end of the day for us to push basically into next supply area. It's an area as it's located around $10, a major mark. You're going to fall into the double digits area of trading for the price action and things will change quite a lot. So this will be one of the targets for December price prediction, $10. Not a big deal, not the most difficult one to achieve. And I would say Aptos has the ability at this time it starts pumping. I mean, you're already right there around 19 to 20%, right? So from the current price action, as soon as we get the 20% movement, we are sitting in the major supply level. This major supply level is actually going to split the charts in half and will allow us to talk about the upper side, which is the accelerated phase of pump, and the lower side, which is not the accelerated phase of pump, yet in the way it looks like it is the preparation stage for what's about to come in the upper circle. where we have to deal with a major level separating that segment area as well into the heavy bags and lower bags area. This means that the great opportunities will be here for those of you that are looking to be speculating, entering the market, trading, and have missed whatever I'm talking about today, the current price action, right? So for the double digits area in between the golden pocket resistance, which is the two horizontal orange lines, and the current supply area of $10, future demand will be the best price for you to talk about for the upcoming months. Now, you still have a much better opportunity, of course, around Aptos, but still, if you're missing this one because you want to, ignore or close your eyes, and you might have your own situation, simply said, that will be a level to consider talking about. This is where things are going to be built again in order to force a clear breakout, due to the fact that the golden pocket needs a very proper structure of a breakout to be established before they try to break out, because otherwise they will fail. They will not have the sufficient strength to go through. So the breakout has to be very, very well determined and practiced before it is completed. Like someone that is a fighter in a cage and prepares for the fight. It's not just going out there 100 times, losing the same fight over and over again against the same opponent, yet it is improving and developing in basically training, increasing the skills and knowledge in order to perform, prepared for the level of the challenge that it is faced at a time it has to deal when the first fight comes into, right? So you're not going to wait for the 10th, 15th, and so on. Beautiful. That's it where Aptos sits at the moment. We are not frustrated about, we are not angry or sad on this cryptocurrency at all. It is just a question of time till things will start moving big time again. It used to be a crypto that was called out to be the Ethereum killer, which is obviously a nice slogan to set out there for a lot of the altcoins in order to convert and sell and do your marketing job, but obviously it has nothing to do with the reality. So whether you enjoy or not, we can clearly see the numbers around the picture, and we need to make sure that the media has a point, YouTube has a point, Tidal have a point, and the reality most of the time is not there. So don't get fooled by the titles of YouTube presentations, by the thumbnails, by all sorts of crazy reactions that are meant to attract your eyeballs and to sell you a variety of things. This is where the reality sits 99% of the times. Beautiful. That's pretty much it, folks. That's all on the topic. That's all I had to say. Now, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And as I said, if you want to be part of the trades that I do, simply, transparently, there's the trades on no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. All the resources and links to my pages can be found in the description area or comments area. You can jump on a free call with me, by the way, where I can explain you more. If you're serious about what do we talk about in coaching, you can watch this video explaining how does it work, a description video. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.